Hey, what's up rideshare drivers? So this is Dylan. I'm the founder of the Rideshare Hub. Thanks for coming by. I just wanted to make this video. This is not sponsored at all, but there's a super awesome new way to make money. If you have a few bucks, there's a brand new, it's called an online savings account, but they basically, you can win up to $10 million every single week, and I've been winning like 50 bucks a week, 100 bucks a week. It's legit, it's official. I'm gonna leave a link down below to sign up, and if you use the link, you'll get 100 bonus tickets. But yeah, I'm just gonna sit down and go over this with you guys because I think this is a super awesome and easy way to make money. If you have any money in savings, or even if you don't, make this a sign to start saving some money. But yeah, check out Yada Savings in the link below, set up an account. It's super official, super legit. I'll get into all the details, but yeah, I just wanted to show you guys this because I think it's a super easy way to make some extra money right now. I know we can all need it. What's up everyone, how's it going? Welcome back, thanks for coming by. So about a year ago, I was on the Graham Stephan show.
So Dylan, welcome to the Graham Stephan show. What's going on?
Hey man, it's so good to talk to you. How's it going?
Better than I deserve. That didn't even make any sense, but...
If you don't know who Graham is, he is another finance YouTuber. He invited me onto his second channel, the Graham Stephan Show. We talked about my income, and basically after that I was hooked. So he recently invested in a new company that went through Y Combinator that just got over 3.3 million in funding. It's a new online savings account. I was super excited, and basically you can win up to $10 million. I'm gonna share with you how much money I've made so far. And before I get started, if you too want to sign up, use my link down below, because if you do, you will get 100 bonus tickets to win up to $10 million every single week. Somebody's gonna win eventually, so why not it be you? So get 100 free bonus tickets, and by the way, that's $2,500 worth of tickets. But anyways guys, please thumbs up this video if you are cool with me sharing my updates. I've been sharing my updates so far, but anyways, let's get into it. If you're new here, click the subscribe button down below, and I'm gonna get into my Yada savings account in 3, 2, 1, click. So here we have it guys. I guess this is gonna be a super, so last week guys, I actually timed it on Sunday night to be able to show you guys how much money I made throughout an entire week. Basically the way it works is, let's go down, I don't wanna show you guys how much I've made so far, but okay, how much can I win? So basically, you get 7 balls, right? 7 numbers each week. And if you match every single one, you get 10 million bucks. Now, if you only get 1 ball, the auto ball, you get 10 cents, 2 balls. So I've won, the most I've won actually is this $1,000 one, but I'm gonna show you guys. So I actually last week matched all 4 balls and then the auto ball, so I got $1,000, but it was split up. So I'm gonna show you guys how it works. Yeah, before I do, by the way, all your money that you deposit in your account it's called FDIC insured. So they don't actually hold your money at all. They don't even touch your money. They hold it in a separate account through Evolve Bank. A lot of other big banks use Evolve Bank because it's been around for 90 years. You know, it's insured by the FDIC, the government, so your money's not going anywhere. Yada doesn't even see your money. And they pick numbers every single week. They don't even pick the numbers. It's a third-party insurance company that picks the numbers. So what I'm trying to say is that I think it's safe, because I mean they're not even like, they're just basically like a platform almost to like link people with money to people who, and by the way, you never lose any money. So you can put in money, and then once you win your money, you can take out all the money you previously put in. So you're not losing money. Like I think it's really good incentive to put money into savings. And actually it's helped me save money so far, because every time I go out to buy like a Starbucks or something, I'm like, oh, I could just put that money in Yada and I could win up to $10 million. So I don't know, it's helped me like become more frugal, which I guess before, like I don't have any money in the stock market. I mean, I have some, I got my free stocks with Webull. So I have like 200 bucks in the stock market, right? Like it's not like I'm putting in money in the stock market. But like now, since I'm making money with Yada, it's like, okay, when I'm spending money, I'm like, I might as well just save it and put into Yada. But I do plan on putting my money in the stock market soon. I also do want to buy real estate, so we'll see how that works. But anyways, here we go. Let's just get down into it. So this is how many. Oh yeah, by the way, they have a super awesome referral program. So you're gonna use my link to sign up. Awesome. Hope you do. Get 100 free bonus tickets. Then you can start referring other people. So the more you refer, the more you get. So right now, at the beginning, when you just start out, you're in bronze. You get 100 tickets per referral. Then in silver, they bump it up to 150 tickets per referral, plus they give you an extra 300 bonus tickets. Then in gold, I remember when I was hitting these, I was getting so many tickets because I was hitting those bonus tickets. And now, guys, I get 10%. So I was curious, what is the 10% extra tickets a week? So the 10% extra tickets per week, they basically take the money you have in your savings account and multiply that by 1.1, and that's how many tickets you get. So yeah, you get an extra 10%. It doesn't count your bonus tickets, it just counts the money in your account. But so far right now, I have just over $60,000 in my account. And as you can see, I'm starting to win some money. My first question is, and if any of you guys are Yada experts out here, is so I know you get one ticket per $25. If I win $25, does that convert into another ticket? Does that make sense? Like if I get $100, if I win the $100, do I then get four tickets, recurring tickets, or does it just, I don't know. I'm not too sure about that. Because like if it is, then that's compounding interest, right? Compounding earnings. But if it's not, then it's not compounding. So I think that's a good thing to look into too, which I haven't heard anybody talk about that yet. But regardless, I have 4,000 tickets this week. So now let's look and see how much I've won. So my last week's results, I won $101 last week and 76 cents. And because I got that $47 win, that was my biggest one. And then I got 4 $10 wins. And then I got a bunch of other little tiny ones where I won like 25 cents and like $1, 60 cents. And then a bunch where I just won like 10 cents. So here's my earnings so far. I've got a savings bonus of $4.91 and prizes of $179.56. So they have a limit of, so let's just see the first week, right? The first week I started out, I put in 10 bucks, I got my bonus tickets, whatever, I won 25 cents, whoop-de-doo. I was like, 25 cents for $10 though, that's 100% APR, pretty much, right? If you win that every week, that's over $10 a year. Then I was like, okay, let me put in like 10 grand, 20 grand, 30 grand, 40 grand. So I put in like 40 grand. And then that was the limit. You can only put in 40 grand a month. So it's the second of the month today. So I put in another $10,000 per day. So then the second week I won $14. Third week I won $11. Fourth week I won $51. And then I got the savings bonus. And now, this last week, I've won the most amount of money, $101.76, which this is to my surprise because I actually had less tickets this week than I did last week. So this week, guys, when I won $58, I had like 7,000 tickets from all of my bonuses. This week, I only had like 3,500 tickets. So I had like twice as less. So I really did like have like quote unquote luck this week, because the way I see it is like, as long as you keep doing it, you're gonna have more chances, even though you might have a small amount of tickets in each week. As the weeks go on, you're more and more likely to win bigger and bigger and bigger, right? Or if you win big, then less the next week. But you know what I'm saying, like you have more chances to win big. So yeah, I mean, again, the limit is $40,000 per month. So I'll probably cap it out to another 80 grand this month. And then, I don't know, I honestly might just keep my money in here until I buy a house, because I do need to put in, probably need like 150 grand to put in. More realistically, I do want to buy like, a $2 million home, but I don't have 400 grand to put in there, and I don't know. So I'll probably buy like $1 million house soon. So I'll need like 200 grand plus my 3 to 6 months of savings. So yeah, I mean, we'll see, but I don't know. I'll probably keep like 60 to 80 grand in here, maybe 100 grand just to cap it out, and then see. I mean, I really am pretty hopeful that like I'll win at least, like, let's go back to how much you can win. I mean, I doubt that I'll actually win 10 million or a Tesla, but I think at sooner or later I should win 5 grand. Again, I just won that $1,000. But I mean, hey, somebody's gonna win the $10 million eventually. Why not it be you or me? So use my link down below to sign up for Yada Savings. That's it for today's video. I just wanted to pop in really quick and show you guys how much money I've made so far with Yada Savings. Thanks so much for coming by, guys, and I'll talk to y'all soon. Have a great day.